From Sooner Standards. Using algorithms to solve complex problems. A complete Grade 6 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 6APA01. Students learn to use an existing algorithm, written in natural language or pseudocode, to solve a complex problem. Inside. A full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual natural language versus pseudocode comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQIM-aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.